Alright, go. Now, Maya, Amaya, let her do it by herself, please.
Open fast.
She can do it all by herself.
Here you go. I found the box.
They put it in a box?
She couldn't open it when she got it.
Amaya, can you get me a knife or a scissors? Walk with it, please.
And cut it with this side.
Open. Open it. Take all the paper off.
Cut open the other side. And this side.
Watch out. Watch out. Amaya, watch out. Open it, Peyton.
Right? You want me to do it, right? Oh, I know how to do it.
Give it to her, Maya.
Can me and you share?
Turn around. Let me see it. Can I see it?
Can I open it?
Maya.
Mama, I want to open it. Oh, yeah.
Peyton, look at the camera. What do you say to Auntie?
Mom, that banana food.
What do you say to Auntie?
Cheese.
No, you say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, and I love you, and I miss you.
Thank you. I love you. I miss you.
Say, and I love it. All right, say bye, Auntie. Peyton, say bye, Auntie. Say bye. I'm recording.